Briza AC says it can cool a room by 20 degrees in seconds, which honestly sounds way good to be true. In this video we will review Briza AC, going over the pros, cons and more. Briza AC has earned attention for its innovative approach for cooling and offering an alternative to traditional window units and bulky portable air conditioners. One of the biggest advantages is its sleek and compact design, which makes it a great option for apartments or small rooms, or even offices, where your space is limited. Unlike traditional units that require heavy installation or permanent fixtures, the Briza AC is designed to simplify efficiency and user-friendliness. Many users also highlight its energy efficiency, noting that it provides an effective cooling, consuming less power compared to older or conventional air conditioners. Its quiet operation is another standout feature, making it ideal using during the night without disturbing any sleep. Additionally, the Briza AC often comes with features such as multiple fan speeds, easy-to-use controls, eco-friendly functionality, which makes it appealing for those looking to stay cool without a high utility bill or complicated setup. However, while the Briza AC has many strengths, there is also some limitations that customers should all consider. For one, it may not be powerful enough to cool the very large spaces or multiple rooms, making it better suited for small, contained environments. Some users report that while it's quiet and efficient, it can take longer to cool a room compared to a larger traditional unit. Another potential drawback is the cost. Some buyers feel that its size and output and the price may be on the higher end compared to other compact air conditioners or cooling solutions. Maintenance can also have a concern, as filters and internal parts may require more frequent cleaning to maintain its peak efficiency. While the Briza AC offers specificity and specialises in use, it may not fully replace the need for a larger system in your household to control your climate. Overall, the Briza AC is a modern and efficient and user-friendly cooling solution that excels in small spaces where traditional air conditioners may not be as practical. Its pros include the sleek design, quiet performance and energy efficiency. However, it is better suited for users who want a reliable, eco-friendly cooling option without the hassle of heavy installation. While it may not replace your central air or high-capacity units, it provides a smart, stylish solution for targeted cooling and delivering both comfort and convenience in everyday use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.